Welcome to K-Link IoT. In this video, we'll explore MQ-2 gas sensor in detail, so stay tuned till the end. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest tech experiments. Let's dive in. The MQ-2 gas sensor is a widely used device for detecting flammable and hazardous gases. It works by sensing changes in resistance when exposed to gases like LPG, methane, butane, propane, and smoke. This makes it an essential component in fire detection systems, air quality monitoring, and safety applications. The MQ2 sensor consists of a small heating element and a sensing material that reacts with gas molecules. As gases interact with the sensor, the resistance decreases, causing a variation in output voltage. This change is then processed to determine the concentration of gas in the air. The MQ2 operates at 5 volts and can detect multiple gases, including butane, propane, and smoke. With a response time of under 10 seconds, it provides fast and reliable readings. The sensitivity can be adjusted using an onboard potentiometer for different applications. This sensor is widely used in fire detection systems, ensuring early alerts in case of gas leaks. It also plays a vital role in air quality monitoring, industrial safety, and making homes and workplaces safer. Connecting the MQ2 to an Arduino is simple. The VCC pin connects to the 5-volt pin, ground to the ground of the Arduino, and the analog output pin to an available analog input on the Arduino. The sensor's data can be read using the analog read function to monitor gas levels in real time. So, the MQ2 sensor is an essential tool for detecting flammable gases, ensuring safety in homes and industries. With its dual output capability and adjustable sensitivity, it is a reliable choice for gas detection projects. Have you ever used the MQ2 gas sensor in your projects? Share your experience in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update on exciting IoT projects. Got questions or ideas? Drop them in the comments below. Follow for more tech content and hands-on experiments. See you in the next video. Keep innovating with K-Link IoT.